Hey, if you're watching this video, you are interested in how to invest in crypto for beginners in 2022, and maybe you're looking for some training on how to actually do that. Maybe you're new to crypto, you've never invested in that, you've heard all your friends and other people talk about it, but what I want to do is I want to share something with you that I think is really going to help you out. It is a documentary series called Uncensored Crypto, and in this series, it is 9 parts. Kind of think of it kind of like as a Netflix series. And in this series, they are going to train you on how to buy crypto, what to buy, when to buy, what not to buy, what to stay away from. It is much more than just watching a couple of random YouTube videos for 10 minutes here or 3 minutes here. And the reason why it's more powerful than that is because there are 56 different industry leaders, people who are in the crypto world, and those are the folks who are teaching and training. So I want to go through here really quickly and show you what this looks like so you can find out if it's going to be a good fit for you. So one thing you'll see right here is it's officially launching January 18th. This is free for you to watch. You do have to leave a name and email in there to get access to it. But again, it's a 9-part series. They flew all over the world and interviewed people, so obviously they make you opt into that. If you're watching this after January 18th, then you can just go ahead and opt in and watch the series. But I want to go over some of the things that you're going to see and learn in there. So I'm going to scroll down here and show you the 9 different episodes. So one is the crypto revolution. Again, you can go through once you click on, I'll put a link at the top of the description and top of the comment section. You can go through and read all this, see all of the different episodes and what they're about. If you wanted to skip some, you could. I wouldn't recommend it. But episode 2 is Beyond Bitcoin. This is they go into more than just Bitcoin. Some people only talk about Bitcoin, but they go into more than just that. The new Internet Web 3.0. And you can go through, you can read these, you can see what all this is about. Also wanted to scroll down here. There's 7, there's 8. I do like that, the dark side of crypto. They tell you what not to do, what to stay away from, because there are a lot of sketchy things out there. Let's scroll down here. Okay, this is the host, Michael Hearn, but the experts. Okay, you've got all kinds of industry experts in the crypto field. You've got people who started their own business, people who are mining crypto. You've got congressmen who are talking about it because they're having to deal with crypto being introduced, and how do they handle that as far as the government's concerned. It's just there are a ton of people here who really know what they're talking about. And again, as opposed to just watching one short 14-minute video or 20-minute video on YouTube where you get one person's opinion, you're getting 56 industry leaders' opinions on crypto and what you should do. So again, if that is something that you're interested in, you really want to know how this works, what you should do, and you don't want to just trust one person's opinion, again, click on the link that you're going to see, enter your information, and you will, if it's before January 18th, you'll get a notification. If it's after that, you'll be able to go ahead and start watching then. If you have any questions, leave those below, and I'll answer those for you as quickly as possible.